welcome back. I'm Natalie and I'm here with Crystal with Funclass. We have just been having such a wonderful time diving into Funclass and all of its amazing gamification features built right into Funclass, as well as integrating with Zoom. You're able to reward students. Students are able to get virtual pets, use points to upgrade and accessorize their cute pets. But Crystal, what about our teens?
Yes, this is a question we always get at Funclass because you know what? I think as much as online independent teachers are sort of told to niche down, we don't often turn away prospective clients and therefore end up teaching quite a wide range of different students, whether that's through different disciplines, different age groups, or if it's languages, even different proficiency levels. We want to leave the doors open. So where Funclass originally started with gamifications for sort of like the 4 years old up to about 14, we are now branching out. So already teachers and academy admins have the choice to turn off the gamifications, which is a perfect solution for adult learners, for instance, or even CN students who might become overwhelmed or find a lack of interest in those virtual pets. You can just literally toggle off the gamifications entirely. Now we are additionally designing a full range of teen-centric avatars, more or less on a sort of fantasy/gaming design angle. And I'm really excited, Natalie, for you to have a little sneak peek of this. So let's dive in. We've decided that when a student first registers for a free student portal, they will be given a choice. So Animal Kingdom, which are the virtual pets that Natalie and I demoed in our last video, a fantasy realm, or a sci-fi universe. So, I mean, I feel like all of those are super exciting. And from there, we're branching into some really fun options that we feel and studies have shown that will capture the interest of our teen learners. You can see we've got everything from Space Explorer to Technomancer and a huge variety therein. And they will be able to follow their avatar's progress as it levels up through the stages of Funclass. That will work the same way as a virtual pet. For every 100 XP that they earn, their avatar will level up, gaining new features or more mature look or more special powers. And they will also have fun coins for the shop where they will be able to redeem those reward points earned in class for new fashion choices, new hairstyles, new gadgets and gear and backgrounds, and new avatars themselves. So some super exciting options for, especially for teens.
These are awesome. And like, exactly, I don't know, it feels like it's out of a video game, which I know they love. So that's like perfect for them.
That's where we wanted to take this. And I will hint to you, Natalie, that we're taking it a step further. So that would be sort of our next few months development timeline, is to launch those teen avatars. But then after that, we're looking to link the teen avatars in particular to sort of a form of mission. So we really love the aspect of gamification that drives engagement in class and sort of reinforces positive classroom behavior and outside class behavior. So we are going to suggest a variety of missions that teachers or central admins could implement, but we also want to leave this open to those people's own ideas. So it would be things like earn an extra 30 XP for handing in your next 3 homeworks on time, or 10 XP every time you attend lesson on time, or help 4 classmates earn 25 XP. And we envision these missions popping up in the student's portal to sort of give a spur on to positive classroom behavior or positive learning behaviors, and make those behaviors worth something so the student is motivated to do those things.
I love that because we want students to do that anyway. So here's a really fun way to do it. And I like how it's themed as a mission. Like it's, here's your mission. I love that. And then it can carry into Funclass.
So yeah, I guess, if anyone wants to give Funclass a try, we would be thrilled to welcome you. We have free trials, so there's no long-term commitment. We don't have contracts, so you can cancel anytime. And the best part is, in addition to already being approved to be a Zoom app, we'll be branching out to partner with other virtual classrooms in the future. So we are very much a by teachers for teachers company, and the support of our teaching community means we can stay that way and that we don't have to sort of solicit external investment and therefore put our big corporate hats on. So what that also invites is the ability to reach out to us with your own ideas and suggestions, and maybe even see some of them come to life on the platform. It's happened already. So yeah, we're a small team and very open to support and ideas. So please come along.
What kind of teacher are you for?
That is such a great question, Natalie. So as you can see from videos number 2 and 3 in this series, our roots are really in gamifications for young learners. So initially that was the virtual pets for about 4 years old through to about 14, or moms like me at any age. Within the next couple of months, we're going to launch those teen avatars. So that's going to bring the range right up through to the teens. And then, of course, there's the non-gamified option, which really makes Funclass suitable for learners of any age. Likewise, because we integrate with Zoom and the Funclass app launches directly in the Zoom classroom, we can facilitate lessons of any discipline. So if you as a teacher or a tuition center are used to launching other Zoom apps within your lessons, you can continue to do so simultaneously with the Funclass app, whether it's a maps app or you're viewing, I don't know, science videos on YouTube, or you're playing Kahoot in a group setting, like it's one-to-one lessons, it's group lessons, it's all ages, and it's all subjects or proficiency levels. So really it's a suitable add-on to any Zoom lesson.
Mm-hmm. That's
Oh,
what
and
it sounds like. This is amazing.
I forgot to mention as well, I know a lot of really savvy teachers out there will teach both online and in-person lessons. Our student management features and our sort of business sections in the teacher or admin portals actually work for offline lessons as well. So if your students register, your offline students register for a student portal, you can manually assign them XP reward points. And you can collect payment for any lessons and manage courses for hybrid, asynchronous, offline lessons the same way as you can for our online Zoom lessons. So it really puts that flexibility and efficiency back in your hands, everything under one banner.
Which is so cool. You're making it so easy. I love how it's just one place for everything, for the gamification, your classes, your courses, homework. It is truly like amazing in one spot. I'm so excited for this.
You. That was the goal. We just, you lose so much time juggling between apps and ultimately so much money if you have to subscribe to 5 or 6 different apps. So one banner, one easy price, done, that's your time back. And that was the goal all along.
So if teachers want to know more, where can they go?
Well, Natalie's going to drop comments, and we'd encourage you to use that link and come by, give us a free try, reach out, share your feedback with us, and ultimately, have great lessons with Zoom and Funclass. And please make sure that you're signed up for our newsletter as well, so that you learn when we partner with other great brands like Lesson Space and Google Meet and more.
Very cool. I'm so excited for teachers who are going to dive into this. It's going to be so fun. And for their students as well. Your students are going to love this and have so much fun.
Awesome. Thank you so much for having me, Natalie, and thanks for joining everyone.
Bye. Bye, Crystal.
Bye. See you soon.